how to see watch history on Instagram. So in order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Instagram application. And then once you open up Instagram, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may tap on the profile icon in the bottom left corner, right corner. And then once you tap on it, here it will show you profile. So all you gotta do from this section is you need to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. And once you go over here, you will be finding different options. So Instagram does not have a dedicated watch history for Reels, but what you can do is you can find the recently viewed Reels by checking your likes or saved list. In order to do that, so if you want to check the saved videos, you may tap on saved. And after tapping on it, you may head over to all post section. And once you head over here, you should be finding the saved content that you may have watched, on your Instagram. Apart from that, you can also check the likes. So maybe you have watched videos on Reels on Instagram and you may have liked it. So in order to view that, you may head over to your activity section. And after here you will be finding option called likes at the very first, and the interactions tab on it. And then once you tap on it, here also you will be finding the video that you have liked, which can also be denoted as the video that you have watched on Instagram. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to watch the history on Instagram until Instagram adds the watch history feature directly. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.